Welcome back, everybody. Today, I'm going to teach you how to apply credit notes to invoices in QuickBooks Online. This is essential when you need to offset customer invoices with credits they're owed, whether from returns, overpayments, or service adjustments. Let's walk through the process step by step. First, navigate to the left-hand menu in your QuickBooks Online dashboard and click the plus New button. This opens up your transaction menu where you can create various documents. From here, select Credit Note under the Customers section. This is where you'll formally document the credit you're issuing to your customer. Now you'll need to fill in the credit note details. Start by selecting the customer who will receive this credit, then enter the date for the credit note and specify the products or services you're crediting, along with the amount. Be precise here, because this information needs to match what you're adjusting on their account. Once everything looks accurate, click Save and Close to create the credit memo. This credit is now stored in your system and ready to be applied. Next, click the plus New button again, but this time select Receive Payment. This is the key step where you'll actually link the credit to an outstanding invoice. Choose the same customer for whom you just created the credit memo. QuickBooks will automatically pull up their account information and show you what's available in the Outstanding Transactions section. You'll see all unpaid invoices for this customer. Select the invoice or invoices you want to apply the credit toward. This tells QuickBooks which balances you're addressing. Now look at the credits section where you'll see the credit memo you just created listed. Select that credit memo to make it available for application. Here's where it all comes together. Enter the amount of credit you want to apply in the payment column for the invoice. You can apply the full credit or split it across multiple invoices depending on your needs. Before finalizing, review the total amount received to confirm it reflects the invoice balance minus the credit applied. This ensures the math is correct and the customer's account will be accurately updated. Finally, click Save and Close to finalize the payment application. The credit is now applied, the invoice balance is reduced, and your records are properly reconciled. If you found this video helpful, please leave a like, subscribe, and see you in the next video.